Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal Downs here and I want to say a massive welcome to you to the sales page for Boss Traffic. Now, when it comes to internet marketing, getting traffic is the number one problem that people have. If you don't have traffic, you can't make sales, and if you can't make sales, you can't get commissions. So what we've been working on for the last few months is this brand new traffic system that we call Boss Traffic. What we've been able to do is to siphon traffic away from Google over to our offers, blogs and websites and convert that traffic into sales and commissions for us. This is a brand new method that has only been working for the last few months and it's working extremely well right now. So it's completely untapped and it's just waiting for you guys to dive in and get all that traffic from Google for yourself over to your offers, blogs and websites. So look, if you're someone who's been trying internet marketing for a long time, maybe you've got the website set up, maybe you've got this offer set up, but you've no traffic, then this is the number one course for you, because this is going to allow you to never have to worry about traffic ever again, because the amount of traffic, the amount of targeted traffic that you get from this is absolutely unbelievable. So what I want you to do right now is go below this video, click the join button, and in just a moment I'll see you inside the members area. We'll get started on this very, very simple traffic method in just a moment.